G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Greycloud, and this is John Forest National Park. Behind me is Kookaburra Rock. Now, not many people would know this area very well, seeing that it is off the beaten track from the main heritage trail. So just south of us would be Eagle View Lookout. You can't see it from here, but to get to Kookaburra Rock from Eagle View Lookout, you'll probably need to come a bit north. Now, I do have coordinates here, as you can see on my GPS there, if you do happen to have a GPS, of course. Not everyone does, but anyway, as for the rock, you can see the reading right there, you can see the head, and you can see the beak. And by the looks of it, the little thing hanging out there, it's probably had its feed for the day. Yes, I did crack a joke. Anyway, as for the coordinates, okay, south 31.51.955, east 116.04.198. So if you want to come to Kookaburra Rock, those are the coordinates for your GPS. Just a moment. Oh, this hand, I tell you. I'll just turn you around for a moment. There we are. Okay. Let's go for a short walk. A lot of rock formations around here, as you can see. Okay. Just west of here is Jane Brook. So there is no car parking for you to come to and park your car, which is a bit of a hassle if you want to come here. So if you do happen to find this area without the use of a car to come here, all I can say is good luck, you'll need it. Because really, to enjoy this side of John Forest National Park, you probably need to do a lot of hiking to get here, especially if you're new to the area. Just a moment. These planes make a lot of racket. Okay, I think it's gone. So yeah, anyways, as I was saying, make it a trip to come here. You'll enjoy it. And you'll get to see Kookaburra Rock. And yes, you're all probably thinking, everyone seems to make shapes out of formations they see. Naturally, of course, we all do that. But hey, take a good look at that. That looks like a kookaburra to me. So, until next time, see you then.